What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to another video. So today, what I've planned is we're going to be doing a tool restoration. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I'm itching to restore another tool. Out here in the shop, I have various, antique and old tools laying around. And every once in a while, if there's a project or something where I need a tool that I haven't restored yet, that's when I take the time to restore it. And so this is what we are going to be restoring today. It allows you to find specific diameters of stuff you're doing on the lathe. If you're doing spindles, if you're doing like a foot on the bowl, that is what this will be used for right here. And because I do plan on doing some bowls in the future, this is something that I will definitely be using, and I thought I'd take the time today to restore it. So it does have a little bit of rust here, but that's not too big of an issue. It'll just take a little bit of time. The threads up here look really nice. They aren't, beat up or chewed or anything. Those will clean up really nice, and I think it'll be something that I will be using here out in the shop whenever I'm turning something. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Boom! There we go, guys. A nice set of calipers that I could use over on the Shopsmith for my bowls, for my lathe projects, whatever the heck I'm making. I will definitely be using this over there. If I didn't mention this already, this is a LS Starrett, I believe it is. It measures the outside diameter of whatever you're measuring, really. And this was made, I don't know, and it didn't have the date on it, but it's in great condition. It cleaned up really nice. There wasn't any pitting in it, and I could run these threads all day. They're nice and clean, and it will definitely get some use out here in the shop. So I really do hope all of you enjoyed this one. It was a lot of fun coming out here and doing something other than woodworking. It's nice to kind of come out here and mix it up every once in a while and work on something else kind of like this. So I hope all of you enjoyed it. That's basically going to be it for this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.